Good day, everyone. Rich from A3 Skyward. Today we're going to be changing out that bottom board. And of course, busy road behind me. I got to go ahead and take all this off to get the bottom one. I knew that was the last year for this, so I'm taking care of it now. The girls seem pretty nice, but I'm sure they're going to be spicy, and everyone's going to try to rob them because it's fall. All right, wish me luck. Okay, got the old nasty bottom board out. Also closed the reducer for winter, smaller hole. I try to put the hole on the same side, but evidently maybe I swapped the hole on that one. But they're all looking good. Hopefully we can help them survive the winter.